Hi, welcome to Cosmos. Come, we can show you what is on display. So as you can see, Cosmos is one of the largest manufacturer of machining centers and machine tools in India today. It's completely made in India products sold in India as well as in the globe. We are currently manufacturing about 400 plus machines a month and exporting it to all the major countries in the world. At IMTEX 2025, we have a lot of new technology on display. So this is our first section, which is the aerospace and high precision component manufacturing. All the machines displayed out here are the very high accuracy machines with multi-axis. So we have large VTLs, we have creep feed grinders, we have multi-axis, 5-axis, simultaneous milling machines, and all of this technology is completely made in India. These are some of the components manufactured on our machines, and we thank a lot of customers who have been kind to give us all these components for display. On the other side, you see the die and mold and pattern industry. This industry, we are very popular, and we have a complete product solution irrespective of the size or accuracy that you require. So let's enter. So here we have our latest double column CNC machining center. We have our latest Dynamill. This is one of the top technology launched at IMTEX 2025. Same way we have our CVM 1570. It's a new launch in the completely new design. We have our own EDM solution. We have our own surface grinders and graphite milling machines. These have all got upgraded with latest optimization and a lot of technology enhancements for 2025 onwards. This is one of our new generation CVM series, which we call at the moment as concept machine. But very soon you would see this machine actually available for sale. On the other side, you see our technology corner, where we have our own operating system for CNC machines, which is completely developed by our own team. That's called the Zennies, ZenCam, and the ZenMu. ZenCam is a CAM platform which is fully developed by our own team, and now it's available with our machines. On the other side, you see the build quality of our castings. Since it's very difficult to judge the machine's performance just by its looks, so we have given you a complete view of how our castings are. So we call them a unity casting. The main reason is that we do not have much of joints. It's a very strong and rigid machine. The castings are completely machined and integrated by us ourselves in our manufacturing facility. And on the other side, you would see our spindles, which we are very proud of. So these are specialized spindles. Spindle is more or less the heart of a CNC machine, and everything on terms of accuracy, precision and performance depends a lot on spindles. So if you see, we even have the entire exploded view of this spindle, and these are very specialized spindles which go on all of our machines. On the other side, we have our IoT Industry 4.0 digital factory solution. These are softwares which monitor the performance of machine with the tip of your finger. They are mobile apps with which you can connect your machines and you can measure their performance and their uptime. We have the next two sections. So towards my right is the robotic automation and mass production section, and towards my left is the medical pharma packaging solution section. We have the solution where we have a new product called AutoMill. AutoMill is a revolutionized product. It is a CNC machine integrated completely with a robot for automatic pick and place. Now, Pick and place is not something new. It's been there for last maybe more than 4 or 5 decades. But here what we have done is, if you have multiple small components or large components which keep changing with time, the entire reprogramming of picking and placing of these components is within minutes. So this is a completely AI driven self-learning solution, and it just places all these components after machining into these racks. These racks, after they are filled up, can be literally moved into the other section, and the second rack can come in. So this is a very efficient solution for mass production. On this side we have our very esteemed partner from Japan, Star. We are the official partners for Star in India, and we sell a lot of machines in India, and the entire Star team is with us here. These machines are extremely popular for medical implant and the entire medical equipment industry. All the bone joints, your kneecaps, a lot of things are machined on these kind of machines. Here are some of the component display of medical sections, all the joints and implants that you see over there. And one of the key things here is the actual Paris Olympics 2024 gold, which is out here. So there was this one athlete, Jules Ribiston, from France, who won Olympic gold in triathlon, and the artificial limb was designed and developed on the Cosmos UG machine. So that was one of the contribution by our company and our team to this French athlete. Moving on the other section, which is robotics. So here we have some of the most specialized machines. One of the first is the Smart Mill. This is again our existing machine, which has come up with a very high in specifications. We have Traverse Mill, which is a moving traveling column machine. And then we have CVM 1365 with a tilting rotary table. And this solution is one of the most popular solution in the market at the moment. We also have very high speed tapping center. So the Tap Mill TM700 is again a very important product for us and a new launch at IMTEX 2025. And we have a VTL. This machine here is one of the most strong machine that we manufacture completely in India. So this is a vertical lathe where the chuck is at the base, and you have the horizontal spindle, and you have the turret which turns the part in a vertical fashion. We have one more auto mill on display here, what you just saw on the medical section. This is the one for the auto section and for automotive and EV industry. So overall, if you look at the entire IMTEX 2025, we have covered all the major industries where we operate and where we have a solution. And these are all the machines, not just products, but they are all solution and solving some particular problem of the industry. That is the IMTEX 2025 at display from Cosmos. And I sincerely invite everyone, if you have not been to our booth, it would be great delight to us to welcome you on our booth at IMTEX 2025.